Hi everybody, Lorraine here. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so I was thinking I would do a St. Patrick's Day pour. I've got 3 different colors of green mixed up. A light green from Master's Touch. Don't know if you can see very well the colors. I have a dark green that is a self-mix. This is an emerald green. I have some gold and black and white. And I think what I'm going to do is a ring pour. And I might need 2 cups for this, but we'll see. So if I can keep this straight, the way that I'm going to do this, I can make them the same. So, take the cap off my gold here. Make sure I have it shook up well. And I think I'm going to do it white, light green, dark green, gold, and then my emerald. So, build myself a cup here. Dark green, gold, my emerald green, some more white in. I don't have, I do have silicone in the white, which I think is the dimethicone, the hair serum that I've used in the past. Got gold in there for a little shimmer. Top it off with the emerald. Okay. Okay, let's see. I've got this cup very full. So I'm going to try and do just a little bit of a ring pour here. It's going to run down my cup. A little bit of a ring pour here. I'm thinking of a 4-leaf clover, if you couldn't tell by now. Make them a little bit bigger. I like the green that's coming out now. Put a little more in here. Set that aside. Move them ever so slightly. Towards each other. down just a little. Looks like I've got just the right amount of paint on there. A little bit heavy on the bottom, but not too bad. Okay. Perfecto. So, 4-leaf clovers typically have a dip in the middle. I think I might have to give these a little help to touch here. Might just put in a small line of the darker green. I did already have white down on my canvas. And that's just kind of holding them back from touching each other. think I'm done. I'm happy with the way it looks. Give it a torch. See if there's any air in there. I do see one spot that I want to touch because I dribbled over here. Just swirl that into it. Won't even know it was there. There we go. I'll zoom you in so you can take a look. A little closer. Zoom it back. There we have it, guys. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.